All right, today we're working on this A.O. Smith BTH 500A, 130 gallon hot water heater. We have an ignition failure and we are going to find out why it is not working properly. We're back with the A.O. Smith hot water heater, checking out the ignition components, and I do believe we found the problem, which is a burnt cord. So we'll get another cord and a new igniter and try it again. All right, we're back. We got the new part. Here's the cable. New igniter that comes with it. Might as well use it up anyways. Put that in there like so. Put these two small Phillips head screws back in. There's one. There's the other one. I'm gonna put the ground back on. Gonna connect the new cable, but first, before we do that, we're gonna clean the flame sensor as well. Might as well since we're here. Sometimes these are a little pain to get out because they sit in here a while and they get a little corroded. We'll see what this one looks like. Let's see. Definitely don't want that screw falling down there. Yeah, this one's stuck. All right, we're back. We got the flame sensor loosened up here. So I'm gonna try to work it out. This is what we want to clean off right here. All right, we're back. We got the flame sensor cleaned and installed and secure. We're gonna reconnect that. We're going to put on the new ignition cable. You want to make sure this is seated properly. Oh, actually, this is the old one. I don't want that. This is the new one. That's on. Okay. All right. Everything's reconnected. We are going to start it up. Turn the power back on. She's up and running.